What up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Destiny Monique, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for your continuous support. And today, I know I look kind of crazy, but I wanted to film a get ready with me. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, I'm finally finished. I don't know about y'all, but doing my hair is the worst part for me because I feel like it takes so long. But I'm finally finished. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my face primer on, and this is the Urban Decay face. Tonight, my friend is having a little kickback. So once I have that primer on, I'm just gonna let that soak all into my skin. And I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wiz and actually do my brows. Alright guys, I'm back. I finished filling in my eye, and I actually did this entire eye. I placed concealer under, and this is lighter than me, 2 to 3 shades lighter. I always want to use. Then for the top part, I'm gonna use my foundation because I don't want like a halo look above my brows. And I'm using Stay Naked foundation. What are y'all looking forward to eating for Thanksgiving? For me, I've been thinking about red velvet cake for like at least a month. And I'm just gonna blend out the front of my brows. What y'all think? I think they're pretty okay. So this is not like a tutorial, guys. So I'm just gonna walk y'all through what I'm doing. I'm gonna put my PLouise base on first. And also guys, I did prep my face for this makeup. If you would like to see my routine before applying makeup, I will leave a video link down below, so check that out. I'm gonna apply orange on top of that. I still don't know what I'm wearing. Hopefully, after I do my makeup, I'll be motivated. And then I'm gonna apply some red, burnt red, kind of like burgundy in between both of those. Then I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that orange again in circular motions on top of that red. Right now, using my Vaseline and a Q-tip, I'm going to apply some of that to the center of my eye to get a clean halo. Okay, now that I have that Vaseline removed, I'm going to apply some of that PLouise. And I'm going to apply some orange eyeshadow on my lid from the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm applying that red eyeshadow on the ends. Huh?
This is like the day before I got the new car. I hit a dog with the Sentra. Man, bro.
You hit a dog.
It was a big ass dog. That shit had me scarred. I knew it was dead. But it wasn't. It got up. It got up. He started running. And I was like, I tried to start following it. So I'm like, this dog gotta be hurt. Because I'm telling you, I heard the whoop whoop. Like this, you know?
Yeah.
So I was like, this dog gotta be hurt. It got to be hurt. So I was following it. And I lost it. And I found it again. And then it had ran into like this little hospital or whatever. I'm like, he hurt.
The dog ran into the hospital.
That's the Crayon everything. Crayon to the refined part.
Are y'all listening to this?
I
Girl.
turned in there and I saw this white lady.
Alright guys, I'm back and dressed. I have this cute little top from Fashion Nova. If you guys are interested in this top, it will be in the description box below. Also, check out my Instagram for full body pics. And yeah, I gotta go. I'm almost late, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Wait, I just wanted you guys to check out my lashes again. All right, I'm gone. Bye.